Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're here at the famous Buckets. And of course, we're talking about beavers. And we're answering a question we get very common. And we've been getting these questions a lot lately. And that is, does flood insurance cover damage from beavers? And what we're talking about is your house actually being flooded. We've seen this a lot in the Alabama area with Buck Creek being dammed up by beavers. And so when we're talking about whether you've got coverage that applies for beaver damage, remember, there's two scenarios you want to think about. And that is FEMA's rule when it comes to flooding. We're talking about surface water. And we're talking about either 2 acres or more than 2 properties are inundated with water, which one of those needs to be your property. So those are the conditions. So yes, we have seen where damages are covered by flood insurance because of beavers, because the beavers damming up certain areas may have caused widespread flooding, like we saw with the Buck Creek area in the Birmingham flood event in May of 2021. So these are important things to understand when understanding if flood insurance will pay out or not. So if you've got questions about whether flood insurance will pay out for a certain situation, do you need flood insurance? What are the flood insurance costs in your areas? How can you minimize your property from that flood threat? Then make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.